Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you what I got as a present recently for my birthday, a cordless tire pump. So some of the features of this Chinese cordless tire pump, I don't even know what brand it is because the box didn't really say anything, but I'm sure it's available at most reliable Chinese retailers. So you can have a digital gauge, digital readout. You can preset the pressure that you want to pump up the tire to, as well as see accurately what pressure is already in your tire. It has a little light on the top, as well as a USB-C input and a USB-A output. So it's the same as like your smartphone. On most smartphones, you can charge it with the same cable, and then you can actually use this as a power bank. So you can take that same cable, plug it in here, and then charge your smartphone if you're out and about. So on this particular Audi, we're going to check what the tire pressure should be, and then we're going to pump it up to that tire pressure. So on this particular Audi A3 8P, the tire pressures are within the fuel filler cap. So you open the fuel filler cap, and in here, you'll see, depending on your tire size, what your pressure should be. So we're going to pump the front tire on this 225/45/17. So it's 32 PSI unless we have a large load, but we never do. So 32 PSI. Okay, so you can see it's already set to 0 PSI. You can change between PSI, bar, PSI and bar. Okay, so PSI and bar. So we're going to go for PSI, which is now showing a basketball. But it should still allow us to go up to where we need to go. This car, 32 PSI. But first, let's see what the gauge says, how much is in it. So unscrew your valve cap. Screw this pump on. And it's currently 30 PSI in the tire, but we want to go to 32. So we'll put it up to 32. And then push the on button. And you can see how the pump just turns itself off when it's reached the desired pressure. And then unscrew. Put your valve cap back on. This will turn itself off. And there you have it. So I think these are super handy. There's no 12-volt socket, no cord that you have to extend. You don't have to put it through your door to the front and then put it to the back of the car. You just carry this around, exactly the pressure you want, hopefully, if it's calibrated. And then when you're finished with it, charge it up, put it in your glove box. I don't care, but you have it, and that's it. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you found that video useful, and I highly recommend getting one of these for whatever brand you want. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.